Okay, you ready, Callie? We're going to see how smart you are, okay? You ready? Let's see if you can get this ball. Figure it out. Come on. Go! Oh, come on, Callie. You can do better than that. I've seen you in action before. Come on. Can you do it? Can Callie do it? Oh, are you getting frustrated? Callie. What is it, girl?
The toy. The toy. Go get it. Go get it.
Come on. Go get it.
Get the toy.
Okay. Obviously, Callie's not very smart. She's very frustrated. Easily. Oh, don't cry. Here, let's try and help you. Come on. Come on, girl. What if we were to tip it? Oh, that's the hint right there. Let's tip it. Ready? Now you do it. Oh, almost. Almost. Yes! You got it! Other way, dork. Other way. Other way. Other way. You're close. Yet so far away. Other way. Other way. You got it. Almost. Almost. Oh, you're in the wrong entry. Come on. Get in. Other way. Other way. Oh, keep the. Oh, you're really close. Just go to the. Oh, dude. Other way. Other way.
Other side.
Callie, other side, other side, other side.
One more hint. Here. One more hint. Are you ready for the hint? Here we go. Hold on. Ready? Ta-da! Dumb dog, people. Bye.